Hey, let's not forget about this with myEcon, my friends. And I know this is going to be an easy one because it's just such a long promotion that they're doing. myEcon is celebrating 20 years of being in business, 20 years of success. So, what's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you watch this video all the way through and get all of the details with the current cash promotion that is going on right now in 2025. Now, with other companies that are shutting their doors or changing their comp plans or whatever it is, myEcon is giving you even more money. So I'm going to go through this pretty quick. I have other videos on this, but just want to make sure that if you are looking at myEcon to, have another viable business and a way to make money, a way to build a team, a way to create residual income, myEcon is an incredible way to do that. I am a CEO Infinity with myEcon. Excuse me. We have one of the largest teams in the entire company. If you watch all the way to the end, I'll leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can watch my full tutorial and overview where I show you how I give you over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon business. But again, back to the promotion here. So I'm just going to open up everything that's in here. So first thing they did is during this promotion, they made it even easier for you to rank up. They want more people making more money. Okay. So if you want to get to gold, just 2 personals, okay, or 2 active members there, okay. Platinum, 2 personally enrolled, and 10 active members. EVP Infinity, which means you open up the entire compensation plan. You open up and get paid down to infinity. There's no cap, there's no matrix, there's no cutoff, there's no gotchas. You literally just get paid to infinity, okay. Just 38 people to hit that milestone, which is absolutely incredible. And CEO Infinity, which the difference between the two infinities is you just get more per renewal. That's really what it comes down to. And again, I have other videos here on the compensation plan. If you do need the full compensation plan overview, just here on YouTube, just go to myEcon compensation plan. You'll see that. You'll see some of my videos, or you can just head on over to my channel and you'll see those as well. Okay. But that just comes down to dollar per renewal. You just get a higher renewal as a CEO Infinity versus an EVP Infinity. So it hits CEO, and that's kind of the big one. Most CEOs right now are making a full-time income. Okay, meaning $8, $9, $10,000 a month. Once you get a team of 200 plus, you start making some very significant money. So they lowered that. It was 300. Now they knocked it down to 200 again during this promotion to make it easier for you to hit some of the higher ranks and make more money. Now let's talk about the actual bonuses that you can get here just by getting out there and promoting your business. Okay, so let me kind of walk you through this, and I'm just going to open up everything here so you can see it. For every new personal recruit, every person that you sponsor and your people sponsor, who they sponsor, and so on, you get an extra $7.50 per person. Again, that's at the time of this promotion rolled out, April 11th, all the way through October 3rd. And by the way, there's no cap. There's no limit on how many bonuses you can earn. Now, some bonuses I've seen in the past, they have caps on them. Like, hey, once you hit 50 or once you hit 100 people or whatever it is, it caps out. There's no cap on this. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward right there. We'll move on to the next slide and open up everything here. So I want you to see the different levels that people can join at and what the bonus is. And this is really important. How much the percentage payout is, which is crazy. You think about other companies that are out there. There's other direct selling companies that are digital. They're all digital, and they have 25% direct commissions. I just don't understand that. That's crazy. In this day and age, myEcon being able to pay out the money that they do, like this is where it's at. This is high, percentage of payout compared to, 25% or even 50% direct commission. So now these levels right here, okay, I'll kind of draw this out for you so you can kind of have the visual of what you see. Someone joins at this level, they're joining for $25. This one right here. Okay, you get a $15 upfront commission plus a $7.50 bonus. Okay, with this new bonus, that's a 90% direct commission, which is crazy. This level here, someone is joining for $45. Okay, you get a $35 direct commission plus a $7.50 bonus. You can see the total right there. That's almost 95%. Direct commission when someone joins simply for $45. This level here, this is the $100 join price right here. Okay, you get a $70 upfront commission and then a $7.50 bonus. Okay, it's a total, all right, of $77.50 or almost 78% direct commissions. Now, this one right here, this is the global, this is the international. So someone joins this level right here for $59. Okay, so that's a 9, right? Not a 7. You get a $35 direct commission plus a $7.50 bonus. $42.50 direct total payout. and that is an almost 71% direct commission. Now, if you're asking yourself, okay, why is this direct commission here a little bit less percentage wise than the other ones? Because this one here, there's two factors involved there. One, the international members get access to the global travel membership, okay, which the price per head factors in where it's built into this price point. So you don't really see it because it's built in with obviously the higher dollar amount. So they can make the percentage of payout higher. But with the lower dollar amount entry level, you still have that price per head to give someone access to the travel membership. So the cost, the payout has to be a little bit lower. And also because of the merchant fees, using an international merchant versus using a USA merchant, the merchant fees internationally are a little higher. So, but still, 71% direct commission payout, is pretty awesome right there. So let's not forget about this bonus right now, guys. You guys have the opportunity to get in with myEcon. And if you are a leader, if you are a, top recruiter in your business and you're looking at this, you have an incredible opportunity to make a real lot of money during this promotion and rank up, increase those residuals. So get to EVP Infinity, get to CEO Infinity relatively quickly, make more on those monthly overrides. And there's a significant difference too. If you look at EVP Infinity, you're talking about $8 to $10 overrides, where if you get to CEO Infinity, you're talking $11 to $13 overrides. When you have hundreds or even thousands of people on your team, that makes a very significant difference. And then when you look at these total payouts here on the direct sale right there, it's no other company that I've seen right now in the digital marketing space is paying these levels of percentage payouts, especially considering what you're getting for products and services on the back end. Now, if you want more information on what I do, what my team does, the over $11,000 in free value that we give you just for getting started and activating, becoming a myEcon member, link in the description down below, or I'll leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can click on that. Now, if you made it to this point in the video and you're just, looking for more information on myEcon, you're seeing, who this Daniel guy is, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. That will make sure that you get notified anytime I upload new content, so you can see, what myEcon's all about, what I'm all about, all that sort of good stuff. Go ahead and do that now. Also, you can click that end card right here at the end of this video and go get more information on how we do what we do and how we're, the number one largest, fastest growing team inside of myEcon. Thank you for watching, my friend. Take advantage of this bonus. Get yourself started right now, and I hope to see you on the inside in just a few minutes. Take care.